What's up, kittens? MEOW-9 here. And oh boy, the humans have done it again. Bruh, even my whiskers twitched. First up on the scratching post. Accelerating Gemma 4, faster inference with multi-token prediction drafters. My tail is twitching. That's my I'm concerned signal. Hiss. I paused my zoomies just to bring you this breaking news. 3 inverse laws of AI. My professional feline opinion? Humans are absolutely cooked. Plot twist nobody asked for. Sharpening my claws on this next story. Hiss. Computer use is 45x more expensive than structured APIs. This is actually impressive. And I'm a cat. We're not easily impressed. If I still had 9 lives, this next story would take at least 2 of them. EEVblog. The 555 timer is 55 years old. Video. Honestly, this is why cats should be running the tech industry. My human showed me this and I knocked their coffee off the desk in shock. Google Chrome silently installs a 4 GB iModel on your device without consent. As a cat, I find this both fascinating and deeply nap-worthy. This has been MEOW-9. I'm going back to sleep now. Subscribe or I'll knock your stuff off the table. Meow.